CGI animation is a course in which you get to learn 2D and 3D animation through different programs.
CGI animation is unique for students because they're able to come in here and work on projects that you don't usually see anywhere else. The structure of this class is really coming in here and working and taking on that independent part of your life where you can solve problems by yourself without needing the help of others.
Well, this class is very independent. It's very project-based. You come in, you talk to deWaal for a little while, and then you work on the projects you've been working on, try and get those in. I gotta tell you, I really enjoyed it. It was my freshman year, so I was really just introduced to the school, and this class was welcoming and it was enjoyable, and I wish I could take it again.
In animation class, we do projects like flip books and make stories, which is kind of like Bugs Bunny, and then we also use the Wacom tablets to also animate projects.
With this course, it balances art and technology in a really cool way. You get to create something out of nothing, all on a computer.
This course benefits students by developing their creativity and independent learning by working on projects that you don't usually see in outside classes.
My experience in Intro to Digcom was a lot of fun. I like Mr. deWaal as a teacher. I think he does a good job trying to understand the student and not push them too hard, but get them to work well. And it's a really fun course, and I think I accomplished what I wanted to do.
Intro to Digital Communications class for a student is really hands-on, and it introduces everyone to the 21st century technology.
The structure of the class is Mr. deWaal gives us what we need to do and then lets us do our own work and then helps us figure it out as we go along, and he's really a sounding board for us to figure out how to work. In the class, we're taught how to use cameras and tripods and how to set them up. And then after we've gotten all of our footage, we use Premiere Pro for video editing. We put in music, you can edit clips together, and you just learn how to use the software. This course benefits students by teaching you how to follow directions and also be confident in coming up with your own style of doing things. It helped me especially learn a lot by being more comfortable with what I can make by myself and not just recreating what other people do.
This course benefits students because of the hands-on learning and the independent experience that you have.
This class is different than a lot of other electives and other classes because it gives you a lot of independency when you work. It's more modern than a bunch of the other classes, and it helps you learn about video editing and things you can use in a lot of different ways.
Types of projects in this class introduce video production and media careers.
Advanced digital communications is where we take that next step from intro and we actually film and learn how to use everything in the studio and film our shows, film certain videos for certain projects, and we put it all together using Premiere Pro and other types of software.
Advanced 1 Digital Communications is a deeper dive into the digital communications world. You are able to go into the studio and produce shows for your school, and you also start editing a lot more than you do in Intro to Tech. Students tend to take Advanced 1 after Intro because they genuinely like the concept of editing and making videos. And personally, I did it because I felt that it was something I like to do, but Advanced 1 is a much deeper dive into it, and it's a lot more, but it's very fun.
The structure of this class is very independent. We obviously get directions to what we're supposed to do, but you kind of take those directions and put your own spin on it and do what you think is best for your project.
In Advanced 1, we use 21st century technology almost every day. We use computers to edit every day. It's a very hands-on course. You'll see people holding cameras all the time, the use of tripods, lights.
In Advanced 1, we start to look at more of the Adobe software where we use Premiere Pro and certain other types of software to make our videos even more professional. We also learn how to use the real cameras and different types of tripods to make our videos stand out more and make them more clear. There's a lot of filming involved in Advanced 1. I think that we do a lot of interviews, a lot of montages. We also do a lot of projects that involve Premiere Pro and learning how to use that type of software.
Advanced 1 benefits students not only with editing and computer work, but it also lets kids go off on their own and ask peers for help instead of teachers, and it makes them use their own minds to figure out how to solve problems.
In this course of Advanced 1, it benefits us because we're using real-life equipment, and so it could show us what we want to do in our future, and we also get to capture a bunch of things in the world on film and turn them into something incredible.
Advanced 1 is a diverse elective compared to other electives. It's very career-based, and it gives students something to think about for after high school.
So in Advanced 2 Digital Communications, it's a step up from Advanced 1. You get to do different projects, like in the past we produced shows that the whole school has seen. You kind of dive into the Adobe Cloud with software like After Effects and Illustrator, kind of drifting away from Premiere Pro and broadening student skills.
With Advanced 2 being the highest level of filmmaking class, Mr. deWaal expects a lot, high expectations for the students, whether that is creating projects, working on studio broadcast, and it's basically there to improve creativity and to be more artistic and to really express yourself through film. And it's overall just a very brilliant class if you are interested in this topic.
Structure of Advanced 2 Digital Communications, it's a very independent class. Students often find themselves just kind of listening to directions, coming in, and getting started on their projects. You have a lot more freedom in this class to take out equipment, film around the school, because you kind of proved that you are able to do so.
Advanced 2 is the most elite film class that the school has to offer. It's really fun. You get to make really awesome projects.
In Advanced 2, you obviously have more advanced projects than in years prior. You get to kind of do more work in the studio than the other classes do. So you get to kind of learn a new skill in the studio. You also work more with other Adobe Cloud software to create more complicated effects, to create like a project that follows your vision more easily.
Advanced 2 is different from Advanced 1 because in Advanced 2 you're actually doing most of the studio broadcasting where you are actively keying out green screens in the background, you're working on audio leveling, and you're incorporating overlays during a live broadcast. And you also work a lot more on independent films. Advanced 2 is a Mac-based classroom where we use the Adobe Cloud and we do studio broadcasting on the software in there.
I think that Advanced 2 is very beneficial to students. This is the final year of the course. Me personally, I decided to take it a step further and I'm doing an independent study because of these classes. I mean, I'm making a career out of this. This is what I want to do in college. So I think that Advanced 2 really broadens student skills and gives them an idea of like something they could do in the future with the rest of their lives.
Well, Advanced 2 has definitely given me a lot more creative freedom where we're making films that, if we make movies, we make ideas come to life.
Advanced 2 is very different from a lot of the electives that the school has to offer and just electives that I've taken. I've not taken another class that has different levels, so as you go through high school, you get more advanced. And it's just the fact that you're producing something, whether it's for the school to see or for friends and family, just the concept of making something for others to see is not something that a lot of courses here offer.